Hello, Kim. Kim, let me have a look what's going on in this blog. So if I click over to the blog now and see what blogs we've got. So I see this one here, the Cheery and Cheeky Christmas list. So I think this is the one that you're talking about, Kim. You say it's overrunning. Let me just read what you've put. I'm trying to add a blog, but it's gone off the line and started new one. Trying to see if I can get the spaces smaller to get it all on one line, but can't work out how to do it. So I don't really know what that means, Kim. Does this refer to the text? So if I click on edit to start the blog, the only thing I can see is that you've started is the text on the image. So I see here you've got write something with style. And then you've got this text over the top which the website generates. So if this is what you mean, Kim, because I can see if I scroll down you've not started anything else here. So this image here, if I click on it, so the best way to edit anything in the background is to click on the little cog at the top. So this is the settings for this post. So you've got the perfect Christmas list is the URL. So you'll have your website, theemotionalrevolution.com, the perfect Christmas list. Then I scroll this down, you've called it the Cheery and Cheeky Christmas list. You're the author. Now I see here you've uploaded an image, Kim. There's two things with this that are a bit of a problem. One is it's square. And if I click this off, you'll see this is not square. This is like a widescreen TV or a mobile phone if you hold it in landscape. So you need an image really that goes across this way. Otherwise you'll just get this central section. So let me click back to that. And you've written text over the top of the image. So if you write text on the image, you can't do anything with the text. So what I would do is take that text off and just use the website text. So if I click replace, just as an idea, and I type in Christmas, so the website comes with a huge amount of free images. I'll just pick this one for example. Can you see this one here in the box in the container is very much like a widescreen TV, so it's wider than it's tall. So I'm going to use that one. Give it a second to change, and now you'll see the text has gone, and now it's saying the Cheery and Cheeky Christmas list on top. So if I go back to the text again here, you've got the Cheery and Cheeky Christmas list. So I need to change the colour of that to be white. So I'll show you how to do that. So you've done this okay here. So this is the data that Google will look at. So you've called it the Cheery and Cheeky Christmas list. Then whatever you write as a paragraph, Kim, here, so just like a newspaper, write a title here, write a subtitle here, add a picture here, add some content here, then another subtitle, just like a magazine, so it's not one huge amount of text. So whatever you write in the headline, copy it. So I'll highlight that and copy it, go back to the settings and drop it into here so that Google has something to look at. So whatever the title is here, the title, and then just 2 or 3 lines of descriptive text to get people to click on it to read it. Ever wondered how to create your perfect Christmas list, or Christmas is stress-free this year? You've come to the right place. So people would, like inquisitive, what's all that about? Then the tags here, I'm going to put some tags in here. Just click into here, I'm going to put Christmas. Separate each tag with a comma, so that when your blog gets bigger and bigger, people can search for it just by popping in tags. You want to leave this off so that Google can find it. So you could put Christmas cheer. You could put, I don't know, stressless. Whatever tags you want. Just making all those up, Kim. So you write in there the tags, whatever you want. Then the most important thing, you can either click publish here, but while I'm working on this section, Kim, I always go here and click publish. So you've told the blog that the blog has published. I'm going to take that off. I'll just change over to the section, Kim, where we can change the colour. I'll come back to that. So to change the title at the top, Kim, the colour, so we've got this new image in the background. Obviously you change it to whatever you want. I'm going to right click on the text and I'm going to click edit design. Here's the font colour. I want to change that to white. So I'm going to click on the font colour, change it to white. There we have the Cheery and Cheeky Christmas list. You can change the font size here. That looks pretty good. And I'm going to go over to the mobile phone view where most people will read this blog. And that looks okay. Cheery and Cheeky Christmas list. And then you start to write stuff here. Perhaps a little bit big that. I might just turn that font down a bit. Let's try 32, perhaps 28. Whatever font you want here, Kim, but I think larger the better. Let's try 48. That looks pretty good. And you write in something here and continue this sort of idea, like I said, throughout a subtitle, picture, some text, subtitle, picture, some text. Just keep going and going and going down here. When you've done everything, go back to the main screen. I only go back to the main screen, Kim, because it's easier to see. You've done everything, make sure it's all okay. Click on done. This screen will pop up again here. Click on republish and it will publish the blog on its own blog page here. Let me make sure the blog page is set up. Yeah, there it is. And these are the tags here, so people can look at the tags. If they wanted to just type in Christmas or whatever you particularly write for all of these blogs, cheery, Christmas, counselling, therapy, whatever you're going to have blog tags you're going to assign to each post, people can read them here. So hope this makes sense, Kim. Please let me know.